Hi, I'm Priyanka. I was working as a Java developer. My friend recommended me MyTectra to improve my technical skills. We got trained for full stack development, Angular, Spring Boot, microservices, and as well as DevOps tools like Docker and Jenkins. Not only a theoretical part, we also got hands-on experience on full stack development. Thank you very much, MyTectra, for helping us to improve our technical skill. Thank you, MyTectra.